Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my vlog. Ayan, for today's video, another panty haul, another cutie haul again, another panties, of course. Here, I have here two panties. I went to the mall and ito ang aking nabili. Okay, so I have two here. Ano to? Yellow orange, and this is dark blue. Okay, so dito muna tayo. I really like this, guys. Tanawa. Ito siya, guys. Ganito siya. Ganito siya, guys. The size is medium large. Medium large siya, guys. Okay. Pwede siya sa medium, pwede siya sa large. Tapos ganito siya, guys. 'Di ba? Ang ganda. Comment below, guys, like and subscribe. I will read your comment, okay? Then you can also send super stickers or super chats also, so I can buy more panties, okay? Or else I have my PayPal, okay? Just check my bio. My PayPal link is there. So ganito siya, guys, okay? A very nice, comfy. Basta maganda tong panty na to, okay? Ganito siya sa likod. Look at the ano niya, guys. Para makita niyo siya. Ganito siya, guys. Maganda yung kanyang cuttings. Hindi siya straight, guys. Okay? So, ano na natin eh. Tanggalin natin. This is worth, wait lang ha. This is, 54 pesos. So, mga, ano siya, 90 cents. 90 cents dollar. Okay? So, ano natin na siya. And another, this one naman siya, guys. Okay. The second one. Sana magkasya sa akin to. Okay. Same din siya ng ano, tanawa. Same siya ng kanyang cuttings. And then, I really like it, guys. Kasi nga, wala siyang garter. No garter, guys. Okay. And, XL and XXL. Oh my God. XL di ay ni siya. Okay. XL ni siya. And, sana magkasya sa akin. This one is 54. Okay, so mas mahal lang ng konti yung isa. 54. Your 50 cents. Maybe like 40 cents, kanon, 45 cents, kanon. Dollar. 54 pesos po siya, ha. Okay? So, I'll show you guys. Ganito lang siya. Pad lang siya na parang ano. Okay, ganyan lang siya. And then, good luck to me kung kasya sa akin ito. Or can you see it? Good luck talaga kay kanat I don't know if this one is fit to me or not. Ayan, ganyan siya. So, suot na natin to siya. Let's go, guys. So, guys, ganito siya. Ayan. Boy. Ang ganda niya, guys, tanawa. Maganda yung kanyang guys, maganda yung kanyang kulay. Very nice. I like the color. As you can see, nakita niyo naman. Pack, diba? Maganda siya, guys. And also here, high cut siya, guys. Very cute. High cut siya. And then, makikita niyo talaga yung kanyang dito is very nice. Yung fittings nice, okay lang. I can wear this as yung kanyang like everyday wear, okay? I can wear this. Tanawa. Maganda siya. Fitted. Ito ang kanyang likod. Okay, maganda siya. Very nice. I like it. Sunod naman natin ang isa, guys. Okay? So, guys, ayan. This is the second one. Maganda siya. Ayan. Maganda ang kanyang fittings. Ayan very nice. Ang kanyang dito, maganda. Very comfy also. Pwede siyang pang araw-araw, guys. I can wear this as everyday wear. Ayan. So, ganito siya, guys. Ito siya kaganda. Very nice. Ito dito, bet ko siya kasi maganda talaga siya. Ganyan. Okay? So, sa harap naman is ganito talaga siya. Very good, very nice one. Ayan, maganda. And dito din siya, pag ganyan. Ayan. Ayan, as you can see, maganda talaga siya guys. Very, very nice. I like it. Ganito siya. Very comfy also. Diba? Like and subscribe everyone.